Vehicle surveillance systems are CCTV security cameras that allow you to keep an eye on your vehicles and the assets inside them. Vehicle surveillance solutions are essential for keeping your transportation business secure and safe. For the purposes of evidence, crime prevention, and even employee productivity. Installing surveillance cameras for vehicle security necessitates the incorporation of a recorder within the vehicle. In this video, we will show you several vehicle surveillance solutions that you may consider if you have any of these vehicles. Do you own a motorcycle? Here's a product that is perfect for you. COLOS Mt028 is a motorcycle dash camera that includes 1080p front road camera and a 720p rear camera. This device is also powered by Android and be used as a real-time monitor for the included cameras. It has 1280x480 display resolution with 5-point touch capacitive screen for navigating the device conveniently. It features 4G connectivity and GPS function, which makes traveling easier. For personal car owners like sedan or SUVs, this is the one we recommend. This is the MDVR 8102 SPAI. It's a 4-channel mobile DVR powered by AI for utmost travel assistance. It can connect up to 4 cameras. It has built-in GPS, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity. For safer travel, it can support ADAS, DMS and BSD. This device is easy to install and you can monitor your car remotely via CMS platform. For taxi cabs operator, this system may fit your requirement. The MDVR 101M is a mini MDVR that supports 1 up to 4 channels, provides GPS, 4G connectivity, and Wi-Fi. It has a resolution of up to 2K or 4 megapixels for better coverage of the road and vehicle surrounds. We can provide complete coverage by combining a dual-lens camera that records both the front and cabin or passenger views with a rear camera. For public transportation like transport bus or school bus, this is what we can recommend. The MDVR 8104H is a 4-channel mobile DVR that supports 720p HD camera resolution, full metal housing design with no visible screw outside, and a smart panel lock to conceal the HDD, SD and TF card slot for a sleek and professional design. It can also be equipped with people counting camera and RFID reader for precise passenger data. For vehicles that are prone to explosion like oil trucks, this is what we can recommend. The MDVR 8204 SAI is a 3 SD card mobile DVR that can support up to 4 channels. It is powered by artificial intelligence, which makes this product perfect for adding ADAS, DMS or BSD in your vehicle. It can be equipped with anti-explosive cameras to ensure durability and footage protection in occurrence of an explosion. Here are just some of our vehicle surveillance solutions. If you need more complex system, kindly send us an inquiry, and we will be happy to assist to your requirements. If you liked this video, kindly subscribe to our channel for more product update. That is all for today's video. See you all again soon. Bye.